In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a domain on Hostinger. Whether you're cleaning up your account or deciding to move in a different direction, removing a domain from your Hostinger account is a straightforward process, but it's important to do it the right way to avoid any unintended interruptions or issues. First, you'll want to begin by logging into your Hostinger account. If you've forgotten your password or need to reset it, take a moment to use the Forgot Password feature on the Hostinger homepage to regain access. Once you're logged in, and you're at the dashboard, take a moment to familiarize yourself if it's been a while or if you're new to the platform. Next, locate the Hosting tab on the top menu. This is where you'll find all the domains and websites currently associated with your account. Click on it, and you'll see a list of available domains. Find the domain you want to delete. It's a good practice to double-check to make sure you're selecting the correct domain, just to avoid accidentally removing the wrong one. Once you've confirmed which domain you'd like to remove, click on Manage, located next to it. This will bring you to a detailed settings page for that particular domain. It's always a wise idea to check on the information here and even back up any data if necessary, especially if there's any website content or connected email services that you don't want to lose. Now, navigate over to the Account section. Within this section, you're going to find the Actions submenu. This is where you'll see the option to Delete Account. Before proceeding, be completely certain that deletion is indeed what you intend to do. Deletion is permanent and will erase all files, emails, and settings associated with that domain. When you're ready to continue, go ahead and click on Delete Account. Hostinger will then prompt you with a confirmation page. This page is yet another opportunity for you to verify your intentions. Follow through the on-screen instructions to confirm the deletion. Once confirmed, the action is executed, and the domain is removed. In case you're wondering, this action does not remove domain ownership, meaning if you've registered the domain, it remains registered to you until it expires unless you also proceed with transferring or canceling it with the registrar. If everything seems good at this point, give your dashboard a refresh to see the updated list of domains in your account. And there you have it, that's how you delete a domain on Hostinger, ensuring everything stays organized on your hosting account. Thanks for following along with me today. If you found this helpful or have any more questions related to managing your domains or hosting accounts, feel free to leave them in the comments below or reach out directly. Safe managing, and see you in our next tech guide.